Hey there guys, so today our group will show you how to create a classic. This is the Hello World program done on xcode. So in order for us to do this, you will need the latest version of xcode, and of course, in order for you to have that, you'll need the latest version of Max OS, Snow Leopard. Anyways, that's the xcode icon right there. Just give it a click and you should be able to see this window right there. From this welcome screen, you can actually view your recent projects, but since we haven't made anything yet, we're going to have to choose the create a new xcode project option from there, and it will open this new window right here. And on this window, there will be several icons there, several options actually, but what we'll need is this last one. It's called window-based application. That's what we'll need to click, and then just choose OK, and you will get a new window here. And this window now will allow you to rename your project. So for our demonstration, we'll just put in hello right here and choose OK. Alright, so now we are on our project window. And we will be exploring the project window, but for now, we can actually try to give it a shot and go and run the project. And as you can see, it will load up the simulator and it shows you a white screen right there. Now the reason why you can actually run this is because xcode already creates the basic structure for your application, so it can already run and show you a default white screen. We can actually take a look at the pre-made classes under the groups and files folder, and one of them is this one. It's called the hello app delegate.h class. Now this is a header file. This is where you put all the objects and declare them, or those that will be used in the program. Next, this one is the hello app delegate.m file. Now this is the implementation of the declaration of the objects that we will be putting on that first file earlier. Now when we're going to code this in a traditional way, we have to remember that we need two files. That's the header file and then the main file. Again, the header file would contain the declarations, and basically the implementation would be on the main file. But right now I'm going to show you something cool, and we're going to go check out the interface builder. To get there, just click on that main.xib file and you will see these four different windows pop up. This one right here that shows you what you'll see on the screen when you simulate the phone. On this small box here, it shows you what's inside your main.xib file. The window to the left side of your screen, that is called the library window. It contains user interface elements which you can just drag from the library window to your main window, so that whatever you put in there will be shown on the window when you run your application. You can actually delete the objects by just clicking on the object itself and then by pressing the delete button. Now since we just want hello world, we'll just need to work with the label here and just put in hello world right there. And again, anything that you actually see on the window, that's what will appear when you run your application. Xcode actually allows you to edit the objects that you drag from the library to the window, and this is made possible by that window right there on the right hand side of your screen. That window is called the inspector window. As you can see, I can actually change the value of the text inside the label object by typing on the text box here on the inspector window. This window basically contains all the other attributes you can try to tweak on a specific object. But right now, let's just finish up with our hello world project. So let's just put in hello world there. Okay, so I'm just going to run through the inspector window right here, and actually this is one of the features that make working on the user interface so much easier with xcode. So it seems we have everything we need here for running our hello world program, so we'll just need to save this. Alright, and then just choose the save option there. and this exits out of the interface build. After saving, Xcode actually creates the necessary code, as you can see here, in order for the objects that we drag and dropped earlier to materialize when we try to run our application. And this just makes creating the user interface so much easier. So anyways, why don't we go take a look at what we did. Just click on build and run. And there you go. That's a classic Hello World program run on an iPhone simulator with the help of Xcode. Alright, so for a quick recap, the codes right here, these are generated by Xcode based on the objects that we worked with on the interface builder. So through this, the things that we changed on the interface via interface builder can be materialized when we try to run it on the iPhone simulator. And there you go. That's the classic Hello World program run on an iPhone simulator with the help of Xcode. Alright, so we're just saving the project, and there you have it. The classic Hello World program run on Xcode.